Hey everyone, welcome back, Creating with Sarah. And today's plan with me, we are going to plan the 21st through the 27th in my dashboard classic catch-all. So if you guys want to see that, then keep on watching. Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time, hi, I'm so glad you stopped by. Be sure to hit the like and subscribe button. Okay, so let's get into planning. So again, this is my classic dashboard layout happy planner. It is Franken planned. It is where I keep a lot of my household mom life stuff. This is the planner that I started 2020 with, and I plan on finishing it up. So I did mention in my other plan with me's that this was kind of related just to school life and homeschooling. We're kind of in a system where I really don't have to jot everything down anymore. And then I have like my big teacher planner to keep all my emails and updates from the kids' teachers and things. So it's pretty much, I can add more things to this planner now. I could add other things to plan out like celebrations, appointments, extra activities, things like that. So it's not really dedicated to home school stuff. I mean, I will add things in there, but this is the first week that they're actually transitioning into going back to school in person. So we'll pray and see how that works. And also, I've mentioned I use a dry erase board in my office that I put up kids' schedules and things like that. So this week we are planning the 21st through the 27th. Again, if you've been watching me, I do pre-plan. That's just the way I like to plan. So I have written out some things that are going on this week, and I like to categorize that. So I have school schedule, if there's any celebrations going on. I have other, which is my daughter's practices. She's back playing softball. And then like a hefty to-do list, and then of course dinners. I don't really have those out planned yet, but that's what we're planning. So sticker books that I'm going with this week, because it is the first week of official fall. I chose Squad Life, and then this seasonal one. It's an older one, but I recently got this at Hobby Lobby. It was in their clearance red tag sale. So it's $16.07. It has these cute colors here. I wanted more of those rich, warm color tones for this week's spread. So I have those. Oh, I also have squad goals. I think I only picked a couple of stickers from here. And then for like extra like accent stickers, I have my hefty sticker book organizer here that's got a lot of functional stickers. And then Super Mom that came back in 2018. Yeah, because of like birthday and practices and things. And if you guys are curious, this was last week. I didn't do a plan with me, but I used some dashboard stickers that Happy Planner does. They come in like a little pack like this. This is the kitty one. I took it off the dashboard and stuck it on this sticky note. I love this one. I put it here because I could reuse it, and plus this week is my older cat's birthday, and you can see it. That's what I used this week. So cute. Yeah, I'm loving the dashboard layout. I don't know what I'm going to use for 2021 yet, but I have to say I really like the dashboard. I like having lines in my planner. Last year I used the vertical line. This year Happy Planner didn't really have a lot of layouts this year. They didn't have the monthly, or for 2021. I'm not sure if they had a vertical line. I think they did, but it was a little design different. I don't know. I'm off topic. Let's get in with the plan with me. I'm gonna go ahead and take my pages out. Okay, so you guys know I love pre-prepping as much as I can, especially for the sake of the video. So I have my wax paper here. I like doing this because it just makes it easier. It takes me a while. Well, it doesn't take me a while. When it comes to like decorative planning, I just like to sit down and watch a show or something, or listen to something and do this because it's fun that way. I'm not really fast with doing it live on camera, so to speak. Okay, So again, these are the colors that I'm going with. I did pull some washi because I thought this would be really pretty for fall. This was actually, I got this from Tina. So hey Tina, if you're watching, we were at a SoCal planner Christmas party and she had brought her stash, her D-stash. And I was like, oh my gosh, this is so pretty. So I snagged that from her. So it goes really well with these colors. Warm, rich fall colors is what, when I think of fall, that's what I think of. Sweaters and coffee and all that good stuff. So if you have one of the squad books, I think you guys will be set for plans with me, especially for the first week of fall because they're perfect. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and lay everything out, and then I'm going to leave this here for buys. I covered up the errand section with this sticker here to still use it as an errand area of things that I have to do. I'm going to leave this note section probably either for birthday preps, because I have a lot of birthdays this week, of to-dos is what I'll put here probably. And then I try to keep as much space when I plan so that I can keep things to write in, because I only put into the plans what I actually know is happening, and then midweek I'll come back and add more things. And if I pull boxes, that's because something is going on that day. So I do have, when I do decorative stickers, I do have something that's going to go on that day. If that makes sense. So there is a plan for that day. Okay, so I've laid all my stickers down, and I just love the gold foiling. I love the rich warm colors with the browns and neutrals. It just looks really pretty in fall. So what I love doing too is I like layering little bits of stickers. These are like what I call add-on stickers, like things like this, accent stickers. And I forgot to mention that I pre-did that, and it's from Squad Goals. So any of like the Squad Girls stickers are like the best. This one's really great because it has a lot of cute planner stuff, stickers. So I put that on there. And I think this was a sticker that had something else to it. I think it said fall and it had something else on it. And I just cut it off so I could put it on that leaf. That was from here. This sticker book is so good. It's just a great seasonal one. They may still have this one in Joann's, I think, actually. But that was from that one. Okay, so now that that's all done, I'm gonna pull some birthday, excuse me. I'm gonna pull some birthday balloons from Supermom and add those to the days that I have birthdays. Which is, if I look at my list here, the 23rd, the 27th, and the 26th. Okay. Let's see. I like that these are clear. That helps. That's why I chose these. The 23rd, the 26th, and 27th. Maybe I'll use a cake for that one. Because that one is Bourbon's birthday. our cat. Okay, so next I think I want to add some of these stickers in here from my sticker book. This meal plan. I think this yellow is really pretty and it'll work really well in this spread. And I want to use put chores down here. Wait, maybe I need another color. Use an orange. This market sticker. I wonder if this would look cute over here or right here. Maybe I'll put it right here. And these practice stickers. We have practice on Wednesday and Sunday. I mean, these are cute. I have a video on this if you guys want to check it out, put it down below, but these are from the Mega Pastel sticker book. Oh, and then I want to, there's some that actually headers that match this. I think this is from a seasonal sticker book, Happy Planner seasonal sticker book. To go. I'm going to use this for over here because I have a lot of birthday stuff that I have to do. I could use a pencil. That would be kind of cute. Okay, I think to wrap this up, because I think it looks pretty good, I'm going to put this sticker here, header, all the things, because this is going to be like my jot down all the things that I have to do. And that is from the Squad Goals sticker book in the fall section. But I'm going to trim it down because it has like these pointy ends. So I'm just going to trim down this part. Like that. All right, guys. So I'm going to put this back into my planner. Wow. I can't believe how fast this month went, or this year. Let me just take these out so you guys can see it. But I always have like all these things in here. This is so pretty. This is from the Back to Class. I think it was in the teacher pack dashboards. I love that. It just goes well with this month of September. All right, so that is my plan with me in my catch-all classic dashboard layout for Happy Planner. Super cute. I love all the fall rich colors and squad in here. Super cute. So let me know if you enjoy my plans with me, if there's something you'd like to see differently. Leave it in the comments down below. But thank you so much for watching and taking your time out of the day to watch this video. It really does make me happy, and I will see you on the next one. Take care and happy planning.